In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert shortcode into a link in WordPress. This process can be incredibly useful if you're looking to customize your website's functionality or simply make it more user-friendly. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to access the WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage your website, upload content, and make crucial adjustments. Ensure you're logged into your WordPress account, and you'll usually find the dashboard at yourwebsite.com WP admin. Once you're there, look towards the left side menu, and you should see a list of options such as posts, media, pages, plugins, and so on. For this task, we'll want to focus on the Plugins tab. Plugins are add-ons that help extend the functionality of your site without needing to dive into complicated code. Click on the Plugins tab, which will direct you to the Plugins page showing you all the plugins you've installed. Here, we want to add a new plugin specifically designed to handle shortcodes effectively. At the top of the page, you'll see the Add New button. Click this, and it will take you to the WordPress plugin repository. In the search bar located at the top right, we're going to type Shortcode Link. This will pull up a variety of plugins that can give us the ability to convert shortcode into links. Browse through the options available, but for this tutorial, let's go with a reliable plugin with high reviews and active installations like Shortcoder. Once you've located it, click Install Now. The installation should only take a few seconds, and once completed, click the Activate button that appears in place of the Install Now button. After activation, the plugin is ready to use. Go back to the WordPress dashboard and look for the newly available Shortcoder option. Clicking on it will guide you to the settings page where you can configure the specifics of how you want to handle your shortcodes. Now, let's create a shortcode. Here, enter the content you want within the shortcode box. Whether it's a simple text, a script, or, in our case, a URL that will act as the link, make sure it's correct. Once you've entered your desired content, click the Create Shortcode button. Now, return to your post editor, whether it's for a page, post, or custom post type. You'll insert your created shortcode within the text editor. To do this, dive into the post or page where you want to add the link. At your desired insertion point, type the shortcode surrounded by square brackets. Like this, your shortcode name. Save your changes or publish the post. To check your work, visit your web page and navigate to where you inserted the shortcode. You should now see a clickable link where the shortcode was placed, conveniently reacting just like any other hyperlink. And there we have it, a fully functional link created from a shortcode in WordPress. Following these steps will make managing your site's content even more flexible and adaptable to your needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more WordPress tips.